A federal judge has advanced a criminal contempt inquiry into Kristi Noem, the Secretary of Homeland Security. Translation: a judge is investigating whether a sitting cabinet member ignored a court order. Here's what happened. Earlier this year, a federal court issued a temporary restraining order blocking the removal of Venezuelan migrants. Despite that order, 2 deportation flights still went to El Salvador. Now, Chief U.S. District Judge James E. Boasberg says Noem's sworn explanation was too cursory to determine whether she knowingly allowed those flights to proceed, so he's escalating. The judge has ordered 2 Justice Department officials to testify under oath, in person, to determine whether Noem willfully violated the court's directive. That's the key word. Willfully. Noem claims the flights were allowed because they had already left the U.S. airspace before the order took effect, meaning, in her view, the court no longer had authority. But here's the problem. Court filings show she was briefed repeatedly on the operation, and the judge is now examining whether those briefings included warnings that judicial intervention was coming. And while this was playing out, Noem stood in El Salvador and said the migrants held in a mega prison there should stay imprisoned for the rest of their lives. Now the Justice Department is panicking. DOJ has asked a federal appeals court to shut the inquiry down, arguing the judge is overstepping and shouldn't be investigating executive branch conduct. Parts of the inquiry are temporarily paused, but not stopped. The judge is moving forward because before anyone can be charged with criminal contempt, the court has to determine one thing. Did the government knowingly defy a federal court order? If the answer is yes, this doesn't end with headlines. It ends with criminal referrals. And the fact that this question is even being asked tells you everything about how far this administration is willing to push the law until a judge forces them to stop.